In light of the ongoing conflict in Lebanon, India issued a new advisory, urging its citizens to leave the country immediately. The Indian embassy in Beirut emphasized this recommendation, citing the deteriorating security situation in the region. For those who must stay, the embassy urged extreme caution, advising them to limit their movements and maintain communication with the embassy via email or emergency phone contacts. The situation escalates as Israel intensifies its military operations against Hezbollah. Recent Israeli airstrikes have targeted key Hezbollah figures and struck numerous sites within Lebanon, prompting a barrage of retaliatory rocket fire from Hezbollah into Israel, resulting in significant casualties on both sides. Earlier, Israel's military chief, General Halevi, informed the troops that airstrikes would persist to dismantle Hezbollah's infrastructure and prepare for a potential ground invasion. He mentioned that the jets could be heard overhead and that strikes had been ongoing throughout the day. He emphasized that the aim was to pave the way for potential entry and to further weaken Hezbollah's capabilities. General Halevi also cautioned that Hezbollah had expanded its firing range and that a robust response would be delivered soon. He advised everyone to be prepared. Even as he spoke, reports indicated that the United States was initiating diplomatic efforts to halt the fighting in both Gaza and Lebanon, with discussions underway at the UN General Assembly. However, it is yet to be seen how things unfold.